Meanwhile, Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee has rejected the centre's invitation to come to the table for talks, saying that they do not have confidence in the centre and that the centre does not take the farmers' issues seriously. So this committee has rejected the invitation for the meeting that was scheduled for the 8th of October at the Krishi Bhavan. The farmers' body has rejected the offer to attend the meeting as they claim that the government has not acted seriously enough on these issues. Ayushman Kumar joining us live. Ayushman, tell us what exactly is this committee saying? Because on one hand, it should have been taken as a step forward by the government to come and hear out their objections or their grievances. Why is the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee declining that offer?
Well, Afrida, if you see at the Rail Roko Abhiyan, which has been there in Punjab since 24th of September, that has been extended by the Kisan Sangharsh Committee, and currently we were told that invite was extended to this committee for discussing all those bottlenecks which the farmers felt that there was in this new farm bill, new farm laws which the government has passed from Parliament. The core contention behind this is that Afrida, farmers feel that this is somewhere not beneficial to farmers, and even after the centre, the Agriculture Ministry extended an olive branch, it said that they can discuss this issue over the table, and whatever the differences that they have, the ministry and the minister himself will address that. The Kisan Sangharsh Committee has clearly said that they will not be going to coming to the national capital and will be discussing all those issues. The invite has been clearly declined, and the Rail Roko agitation that we are witnessing in Punjab has also been extended. It has been more than 14 days that we are seeing this, and the invite which the centre sent to this committee has been declined by the Farmers Union.
Yes, and this is again significant, Ayushman, because obviously the laws have been passed, they've become law of the land. So the only way there can be any change is contesting in court. So what exactly did the government think would be the purpose of this discussion? It would just end up being a process of clarifying their doubts, not in any way withdrawing the laws, because the government is clear that they are going to stick to it.
Well, Frida, we have seen the kind of protest that has been taking place in Punjab and also in Haryana. We have seen the Chief Minister of Punjab extending this support to farmers' cause, and also Congress MP Rahul Gandhi going there and addressing the rally. So definitely, like you pointed out, it has become a law. But now the government's approach is that they want to clear the doubts which the farmers have. It has been said that it is being envisaged. That's one of the greatest agricultural reform that India has ever seen, and that is something which the government wants to convey to the farmers. But on the contrary, the farmers in Punjab are not really ready to listen to the arguments of the government and sit across the table. They want a complete repealing of these laws which have been introduced. They want that the government should give the MSP index in the new bill. Otherwise, there is no point talking on this legislation which has been brought by the centre and has also been now it's a law in the country right now.
I have Mr. Sarwan Singh Pandhar, who is from the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee, joining me on the phone line. पंदर जी, आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि जो आप लोगों ने ये जो सरकार ने ऑफर किया है कि आप आइए बात करिए ताकि जो भी आपके मसले हैं वो हल हो सके। हमें अभी खबर मिली है कि आपकी जो संघर्ष समिति है, किसान मजदूर संघर्ष समिति ने ये फैसला किया है कि कोई मीटिंग नहीं करेंगे सेंटर के साथ, ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसी बात नहीं है, हमने ऐसे नहीं कि कोई मीटिंग नहीं करेंगे। हमने जो आपके संवाददाता भी बोल रहे थे भी, जो किसानों को संदेह है, हम पहले साफ करना चाहिए। हमें संदेह कोई नहीं है, हमें श्योर है पूरी तरह कि जो बिल जो खेती सुधारों के नाम पे किसान मजदूर को देश भर में उजाड़ने के लिए बिल लेके हैं, वो बहुत बुरे हैं। हमें संदेश नहीं, हमें तो संदेह नहीं, हमें श्योर है। एक तो यही जो सरकार प्रचार कर रही है, उनके मंत्री महोदय है जो चंडीगढ़ में,
लेकिन 8 तारीख की मीटिंग में आप लोग जा रहे हैं कि नहीं जा रहे हैं? जो 8 अक्टूबर की जो मीटिंग है कृषि भवन में, उसमें आप शामिल होंगे?
नहीं, हम बिल्कुल नहीं जा रहे। इसलिए नहीं जा रहे भी जो हरियाणा के किसानों के साथ किया गया, हरियाणा के किसानों को बुलाया नहीं गया। जो जितने भी संगठन है उसमें फूट डालने की बात कर रही है केंद्र सरकार। तो हम
I cannot hear Mr. I cannot. Yes, I just cannot hear him at this point of time. Sarvan Singh Pandar is online, but I'm not able to hear him. Let me get in Ayushman for a quick update on this. So, Ayushman, what the farmer body representative is telling us is that it's not as if we do not ever want to have any meeting, but they are not going on the 8th for this particular one, because their aim and objective is to have these laws repealed, like you said. But what are the chances that something like that can even be entertained?
Extremely low, Afrida, so to say about, because the government has not, we have seen how it was passed in both the lower house and the upper house. It is extremely low chances there that the government is going anywhere on this bill, because the kind of statement which has come from the Prime Minister himself, he has assured the farmers that the MSP will be there. But what is the contention here, Afrida, is that the MSP is not there mentioned in the bill, and the farmers are saying that when the private entities or the corporates are involved, at that time this rule won't be played, and at that time the MSP will not be given to the farmers, and then APMC will become of no use, which will ultimately harm the farmers. And that is why they want the inclusion of MSP, and that is why you see this protest, and that is the reason why the farmer body feels